Are you stuck because Jira won't let you manage users or set up single sign-on? Here is exactly how to verify your domain in under 5 minutes. We will start from your Jira dashboard, go through settings, billing, directory, and domains, and then complete the verification with a DNS record. So let us begin. Open up your Jira account. You want to start from your main Jira home screen, the one you see when you first log in. Now, look at the top right corner of that screen. You will see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. That is your settings button. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Billing. This takes you into the administrative side of your Atlassian account, which is where all the account-level controls live. Once you are in the Billing section, look at the left side panel. You will see a menu there. Click on Directory. This is the area where you manage users and how they connect to your company. Now, under the Directory section, you will see an option called Domains. Click on that. All right, now you are on the Domains page. And here is the really important part. You will see a button that says Verify Your Company Domain. Click that button. This starts the verification wizard. A new window will pop up. It will walk you through the process. The first step is just an introduction screen. Click Next to move past it. Now, pay close attention to this next step. You need to type in your company domain name. This is your actual web domain, like yourcompany.com. Do not include the www part, just the root domain. Type it in carefully, then click Next. Jira will now show you a DNS record that you need to add to your domain hosting provider. This is a TXT record. You will need to log in to wherever you manage your domain, like your web host or DNS provider, and add this record. It is a simple copy and paste. Once you have added that record, come back here and click Verify Domain. Jira will check for that DNS record. This might take a moment to process. DNS propagation can sometimes take a few minutes, but usually it is pretty quick. And that is it. Once Jira finds the record and confirms it, your domain is verified. Now you have access to all the admin features you were locked out of before. You can manage user access, enforce single sign-on, and take full control of who gets into your Jira instance. In my experience, getting this done correctly the first time saves a lot of headaches down the road. So take a moment now to add that DNS record and verify your domain. You will be glad you did.